Ordering tree seedlings from the State Forest Nursery is now easier than ever with our new online system. To get started, visit mndnr.gov/nursery and click the Seedling Ordering Information page. There you'll find a link to the ordering site along with details on ordering requirements and refunds. On the ordering page, select LoginMN in the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you're new, click Create Account and follow the prompts. Enter your email, confirm the code sent to your inbox, then create a password. Next, set up multi-factor authentication. Using your phone is probably the easiest option. Once you create your account, you'll be redirected back to the nursery site. Add your phone number, preferred contact method, and account type and hit update. You will then need to enter your address. Now you're ready to order seedlings when sales open. Having an account makes checkout easier, lets you track orders, and saves your information for the future. Guest checkout is also available, but we recommend creating an account for the best experience. When seedling sales are open, you'll be able to add items to your cart. Your information will be saved, and all you need to do is pick a delivery method, answer a few quick questions, and then click checkout. If you choose to pay by check, your order won't be confirmed until the check is received. In the spring, you'll be notified when seedlings are lifted from the ground and when to expect your order for pickup or delivery. Thank you and happy ordering.